that never ceases in the infinite, an endless echo making all time stand still. No ticking clocks, no passing day, no fading night, only the glory that this holy place will fill. Creatures of fire with 6 wings in flight, hiding their faces from the blinding light. So set apart, so distinct from our own, the universe trembles at the voice from the throne. The majesty that human eyes could never bear, the architect holding the earth and the air. All of creation recognizes its Lord, bowing down under the weight of His word. The doorposts are shaking at the sound of the praise. The smoke of your presence fills the heavenly space. There are no earthly words to truly declare the unfathomable ocean of the God who is there. Kadosh, 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 completely set apart, unapproachable light. Kadosh, 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 the absolute holiness burning so bright. God of heaven's armies, perfect, immortal, your glory fills the earth. Oh, majesty unrivaled. No single blemish, not a shadow of turning. The righteous judge